Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see, today we are outside. Today I will be installing and teaching you guys how to install the third brake light, the LED one I unboxed. I will be doing how to take off the stock one and how to wire this one. You see, every time we change the scenery, this time we're outside. Truck video. So let me turn this thing around and let me show you the stock one and what you're gonna need. So as you see, this is a stock one I have the pretty much I have the door open right now, so that's why. It's a little stock one. Let me lock it. Unlock, like it's a standard one. You're gonna need a Phillips, two Phillips, and yeah, I got my tool back there and the new one here. As you guys saw from the unboxing, this is what we're installing. So as you see, the screws are gone. This is the original one, so kind of stuck. I'm gonna get a trim. Pretty much just have to find a way to separate it. And see, like, this is a stock one, so I'm having a little trouble, but I'm gonna disconnect it. I'm gonna separate it and I'll show you how to disconnect it. There we go. We have the thing already detached. As I said, it was the stock one, so it was kind of tight in there. So all we have to do pretty much is just twist these and they come out, twist these and they pop out. Sorry, it's kind of hard recording. So, these, you're not gonna need the bolts because they're LEDs, like they already come. So you're just gonna take them out and twist it, and it's out. So after you have it all disconnected, you detach it from here, which is just a clip holding it right here on my finger. So I'm gonna disconnect it and I'm gonna show you how to wire it. Pause the video. Excuse my outfit, as you can see off the reflection. It's not the best, but I just got out of work, so I decided to take advantage of the evening. So I literally left my socks that I had for work. So you guys are gonna clown me in the comments. I'm ready for it. So I have them all disconnected, as you see. And you're probably wondering, well, this one only has 2 entries. What's gonna happen? You're gonna plug the one of them to the middle one and one to the side marker, the right one. So they usually go like this. You're gonna plug one here and one here. So let me go ahead and plug it in and show you guys the outcome. So as you see, I have them both plugged in and I took the other one away. I'm not gonna screw it yet, guys. You're gonna see how well it works. So lock them, unlock. As you see, got the LEDs. Let me open the door. And it stay on. So I will be getting a night shot of this, and I'm guessing this is gonna be the brake light. So I'm gonna be getting a night shot, the more lighting. So let me screw this up and we'll see the after effect. Okay guys, as you see, it's already on. I don't know where that piece came from. Probably from the sealant or whatever. But fitment wise, as you can see, like, it doesn't go all the way towards the back like the stock one, but it does have like a cushion around it, so I'm not that worried. And like I said, I resealed it. So this is the new look. Again, let me unlock it. That's how it's gonna look, and that's how it looks with the brake light. So it looks pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. I will be giving a nighttime view, like how bright it is and stuff. So the next clip you're gonna see it's at nighttime. So, well, guys, here's what it looks like. Shout out to On the Gas. Here's what it looks like. It's pretty bright. I really like it. It looks nice. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching again. If you see any parts or anything you would like for me to add on to the truck, put it down in the comments. Again, thank you guys for watching. I will be posting pictures of this on Instagram. So go ahead and follow me down below. My Instagram is RV714. And again, thank you. Stay blessed. And yeah, thank you for watching.